Top 10 IT skills that will be in high demand in 2026. Hi everyone, welcome to Wingseo IT Training, where we simplify tech training for you around the world. If you are a student, a developer, or a working pro, this video could be your career compass. So let's directly dive into today's topic. Number 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, still the king. Companies want people who can train, optimize, and deploy AI models that solve real business problems. Tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and prompt engineering are hot. Skill number 2. Cybersecurity and ethical hacking. With cyber attacks skyrocketing, organizations need experts in threat hunting, cloud security, and ethical hacking. Cybersecurity won't be optional. It will be mission critical. Skill number 3. Cloud and DevOps. AWS, Azure, and GCP are not going anywhere. But now it's about mastering cloud native development, infrastructure as code, and automatic tools like Terraform and Kubernetes. Skill number 4. Data engineering and analytics. AI needs data. Clean, structured, fast data. That's where data engineers shine. Learn SQL, Apache Spark, Snowflake, and how to pipeline real-time data. Skill number 5. Blockchain and Web3. Niche but growing. Not just crypto. Think digital identity, secure smart contracts, decentralized finance. Knowing Solidity and Ethereum development can give you an edge. Number 6. AR, VR, and spatial computing. As Apple Vision Pro and Meta devices enter the mainstream, developers with Unity or Unreal and XR experiences will be in demand, especially in gaming, healthcare, and training. Number 7. Low-code/no-code platforms. Companies want fast solutions. Tools like Power Apps, Bubble, and Mendix empower non-developers to build apps. So, IT folks who guide or integrate with these tools are very valuable. In number 8, we have quantum computing for advanced roles. Still early but growing. Understanding quantum algorithms and platforms like IBM Qiskit can be a future-proof niche. In number 9, we have programming with AI copilots. It's no longer just about writing codes. It's about guiding AI to write it well. Engineers who know how to collaborate with GitHub, Copilot, ChatGPT, and other AI development tools will be faster and more efficient. And last but not the least, digital project/product management. With remote and hybrid teams, skills in Agile, Scrum, Jira, and stakeholder management will be crucial for bringing IT products to life on time. So, which of these skills are you planning to master by 2026? Drop a comment below with your current learning path, and remember, we reply to every comment. Do you like this video? Smash that like button, subscribe for more future-ready IT content, and I'll see you on the next one.